Hey there, are you dealing with a faulty power breaker on your Anker device and don't know where to start? Worry not. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the steps on how to fix the power breaker of Anker products safely and effectively. Anker devices are known for their durability and exceptional performance, but like any electronic device, they may encounter some issues over time. One common issue is the power breaker tripping, which can interrupt your device's functionality. But don't worry, this guide will help you understand how to address and resolve the problem. Step 1. Identify the problem. Before you can fix the power breaker, you need to determine what's causing it to trip. Start by unplugging all devices connected to your Anker power unit. Once everything is unplugged, try resetting the breaker. Identify if the breaker stays on with no devices connected. If so, plug in each device one by one to find the faulty gadget causing the problem. If the breaker trips without any device connected, the issue likely lies within the power unit itself. Step 2. Reset the power breaker. To reset the power breaker on your Anker product, follow these simple steps. Turn off the device. Ensure your Anker product is switched off and unplugged from any power source. Locate the reset button. Look for the small reset button on the device, typically located near the power cable port. Press and hold the button. Using a small tool or your fingertip, press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds. Plug back in. Reconnect the device to the power source and turn it on to see if the issue is resolved. Step 3. Assess the wiring. A tripping power breaker might be a result of problematic wiring. Detach any visible wires from the Anker device and check for any visible signs of damage, such as frayed or exposed wires. If you spot any, safely replace or repair these wires before reconnecting. Ensure all wires are securely connected and that there are no loose connections. Step 4. Test for overloading. Overloading the power outlet is a common cause for breakers tripping. Ensure that the total power consumption of your connected devices doesn't exceed the maximum capacity of the Anker unit. You can calculate this by adding up the power requirements for each device and comparing it against the power rating provided by Anker. If overloading is the issue, consider using additional power strips or directly connecting high-consumption devices to a separate outlet. Step 5. Examine external factors. Sometimes environmental factors like moisture or heat can interfere with the performance of your power breaker. Ensure your Anker device is used in a dry, cool environment and is not exposed to direct sunlight or heat sources. If necessary, relocate the device to a more favorable position. Fixing the power breaker on your Anker device doesn't have to be a daunting task. With these outlined steps, you can efficiently address and resolve the issue. Always ensure safety is your priority when handling electrical devices. Should the problem persist after trying these methods, it might be time to consult Anker's customer support or seek professional help. By understanding how to fix the power breaker of Anker products, you can ensure your device remains in optimal working condition, ready to provide you with the performance you expect. Enjoy peace of mind knowing that a tripping breaker can be a simple fix.